Apparently, I'm going to be blown away with this. Let's find out. Okay, first off, charge to activate it. You have your laser button on the side here. I'm going to test this outside, so please stick with us because I'm going to show you outside. So here is the black light. If you look at our card, you can actually see it pick up. See all those white specks? But yet, when you just look at the card, you don't see anything. So we're going to use this part for trading cards because this help shows the white on the edges. So we're using this part for the trading card. So look at the black light at nighttime. This is outside. Look at this. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So this is the other light. So you can have different modes. As you can see, super bright. We take it away. Completely pitch black. Have it on. Super, super bright. Like super bright. Let's turn it on to the next setting. So this is the direct flashlight. So you got dim and brighter and even brighter. And you can see, look how far we can see. So look, our garage way out in the distance. I must say, look at the trees way out there. Like those are far. Those are far away. Look at this. Look how bright this is. Yeah, I'm impressed. I'm very impressed with this. Look at this. Very impressed with this light. Okay, it's safe to say I'm impressed. Now, how about the laser? Oh, by the way, it's got these cool little lights on here as well, letting you know the mode, which is really cool. So let's go ahead and turn this off and now turn the laser on. Look at this. Look at this. Whoa. There's trees really far. So this is our garage that you've seen. Here's our garage. These trees are mega far away. Even further trees. Wow. Oh my word. Look at the trees way out there. Like that's extremely far. Even way out there. That is super far. What? You guys probably can't see this, but those are like, wow, look at this laser. This thing is amazing. This laser's no joke. So you can have the lights on at the same time with the laser. So you see the trees way out there. There's trees way out in a further distance that we can pick up. These trees way out here. Wow. This is impressive. The laser, the lights. I am super impressed. I am super impressed.